Hello guys, today I'll show you how to transfer money from Coinbase app to bank account. Firstly, log into your Coinbase account with your username and password. Once you're logged in, go to the portfolio section. This is where you can view all your cryptocurrency holdings in one place. In the portfolio tab, choose the crypto that you want to convert and withdraw. For example, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, select Bitcoin from your list of assets. Now click Sell next to the cryptocurrency you selected. You'll need to specify how much of your cryptocurrency you'd like to convert into fiat currency, like USD dollars, euros, etc. When asked for a destination for your funds, select your bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to add one first by following the instructions provided on the platform. Before finalizing the withdrawal, review all the details to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm to complete the transaction. Your funds will be transferred to your linked bank account within a few business days. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.